A change in the British squirrel population started just over 100 years ago. It caused a diversity that still causes problems today. Up to that time, the only squirrels that lived in Britain were red squirrels. They had lived and developed here over many thousands of years. All areas of woodland in the country had their own population of red squirrels. And then in 1876, Victorian landowner decided he'll bring one or two grey squirrels back home after he had a trip taken to North America. As the grey squirrels multiplied, they were introduced to other areas around the UK in the 1920s. Records of squirrel sighting in Norfolk between 1964 and 1985 show the way that the change of red squirrels to grey squirrels takes place. At the start, there were only red squirrels. In 1964, the first sightings of grey squirrels were recorded. In 1968, more grey squirrels were recorded as being sighted. In 1972, the first losses of red squirrels became more apparent. By 1976, the red squirrel was in decline. 1981 saw red squirrels in the minority. By 1985, the red squirrels were almost all replaced by greys. In just 130 years across the country, our native red squirrel has been pushed to almost extinction by the ex-American grey squirrel. So what has this happened? When it is known that grey squirrels neither attack nor kill red squirrels. Charles Darwin explained that some species are better adapted to their environment than others, and so they are more likely to survive. In this case, grey squirrels eat a wider variety of food sources found in the British countryside than red squirrels. Another reason may be that grey squirrels are resistant to the parapox virus that kills many red squirrels. In fact, only one red squirrel in 6 will survive as long as a year. However, all 6 grey squirrels are likely to survive. So what can we do? And should we do it? At the moment, about £1 million has been spent on protecting the red squirrel by establishing red squirrel sanctuary in which any grey squirrel is shot. The question is, if change is inevitable, should we go to these extremes to protect something that is naturally less suited to the environment, even if it is cute and fluffy? Back to the studio.